Hello and Namaste. In continuation of the double integrals, we'll be going ahead with the integrals or evaluation over a given general region, and we'll be dealing here with the part 1. So what exactly the working rule of this given region? So we will be discussing in detail. If the region is bounded by more than one curve, then find the points of intersection of all the curves. Then we have to draw all of them and mark their point of intersections. Identifying the region of integration, and after that we have to draw a vertical or a horizontal strip in the region, whichever makes the integration easier. If the variation along the strip changes the region, then the region is divided into different parts. So this is a working rule, and we have already discussed in the introduction session that method 1 and method 2. Method 1 I have briefly introduced there with a strip parallel to y-axis, strip parallel to x-axis. So we'll be going into detail in this particular session. So vertical strip starts from the lowest part of the region and terminates on the highest part of the region. How we can just go ahead with this? Suppose this is a region wherein we have, this is the shaded region, yellow color region is the region of the consideration, or you can say that we have to find out the double integral over this region. And if we are considering a strip parallel to y-axis, that means a vertical strip, if we are considering it, then we have to consider few terms here or few things here. What is that? For vertical strip, the lower limit of y is obtained from the curve where the vertical strip starts. So this is the lower end. That means at this end we need to consider you can say the curve on which this particular vertical strip is lying on, and the upper limit of y. So this is the lower limit for y, and it is the upper limit of y is obtained from the curve where vertical strips terminates. So this is known as the upper limit of y. What about the x? The lower limit of x is obtained from the leftmost point of the region. That means this point. So suppose this is the point here. We have got this intercept, or you can say this point P over here, and from this leftmost, that is x is equals to a, from this point, and from the lower leftmost point of the region, and the upper limit of x is obtained from the rightmost part of the region, that is x is equals to b. So this, if you are considering a strip parallel to y-axis, or you can say a vertical strip, the lower end is the lower limit of y, upper end of the strip is for the upper limit of y. This end of this region at x, ordinate of x is nothing but the limit for x, and the another part is the extreme point of this region is x is equals to b. So this is all about the vertical region, or you can say whenever we are considering a strip parallel to y-axis. This is already we have done it in brief, but now we'll be going into detail about this particular examples. Now in the horizontal strip starts from the left part of the region and terminates on the right part of the region. How we can go about this? So this is what is the region if you consider here, and we are considering a strip parallel, or you can say a strip parallel to x-axis. Strip parallel to x-axis, or you can say here horizontal strip. So for the horizontal strip, the lower limit of x is obtained from the curve where the horizontal strip starts. That means this is about the lower limit of x. Lower limit for x or of x, right? And the upper limit is obtained from the curve where horizontal strip terminates. So this is what is the end, or you can say the x point or the curve on which it is lying on the extreme strip of horizontal strip, and that is of upper limit of x. So this is, if you'll observe here, x is nothing but x1 of y is equals to, and x is equals to x2 of y. So this is what we have seen in the first session as well. What is the second? The lower limit of y is obtained from the lowest point of the region. So this is what is y is equals to c, that is this strip will start from, so the convention, as I've told you, convention of the horizontal strip to move is like down to up. It's down to up. We have to go from down to up. This is what is the convention. So we have to check y is moving from c till y is equals to d, that is upper limit of y is obtained from the highest point of the region. So this is about the horizontal strip. Now this is all about the region given in the region here, and how we can consider a strip parallel to x-axis, strip parallel to y-axis. We'll be going in detail with the different type of questions in the upcoming session. Please stay tuned, stay connected, and happy learning. Thank you.